Small business ideas in Pakistan to start with 50,000 rupees on OLX.
Many aspire to become their own boss. With ever-increasing inflation which further squeezes their fiscal space, the middle classes in Pakistan are always looking for ways to start their own business. However, not many can due to high capital requirements. But do you know you can start some small business ideas in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees? However, knowing what to do is one thing. How and where to start an online business in Pakistan is another equally important thing to sort out before starting your own business. And this is where OLX Pakistan comes in. OLX Pakistan has made starting an online business easier than ever. If you are searching for low investment ideas for your business, this blog is for you. We have gathered 10 businesses you can start on OLX with an initial investment of 50,000 rupees or less. Number 1. Tutoring Services. A great small business idea in Pakistan. The education sector in Pakistan is considered quite profitable as learning never ends. With the increase in population, there is always room for new entrants. You can start this business with a pretty small investment on the OLX platform. Become a tutor yourself. If you have expertise in specific fields like math, biology, chemistry, or any language, you can start teaching. Learning is an ongoing process and many are looking for tutors for different subjects. You can post free ads on OLX to let others know about your services. If you want to get more responses, you might try our featured ad service. This service or business can easily be started under 50,000 rupees. All you need is to have travel expenses for 1 month as most people pay tuition fees at the month's end. Your teaching method, knowledge, and communication skills are crucial in this regard. Second idea. Selling used bikes among best small business ideas in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees? Believe it or not, starting this business doesn't require more than 50,000 rupees. You can start this business with this investment easily. All you need is to have full commitment. Step 1. Get 2 or 3 used bikes in below average condition at a cheap price. Step 2. Get them repaired and elevate their visual condition. Final step 3. Now sell them on OLX at a slightly higher price than your total cost. The success chances would depend upon how frequently you sell the motorcycles. Don't increase the price too much as people will not buy your item quickly. Keep the price to a minimum level so you can get more profit by selling more bikes. Constant reinvestment is important. Reinvest all the revenue from the sales of all bikes. At the end of the month, you might have a handsome amount of profit. Now, you can take some portion of the profit for yourself and reinvest all remaining amounts in the business. It will help you grow your business. Third idea is to sell popular chicken breeds. There's no investment that has a return percentage anything like being able to breed chickens, said Bill Gates. It is not just a quote but a fact, as many people are successfully doing this business on OLX. You don't need huge amounts to start it. If you want to get popular chicken breeds, you can buy them with 50,000 rupees quite comfortably. You will need some area where you can give them a suitable environment to grow. Firstly, select among the chicks of popular chicken breeds you want to sell. Azil, Silky, Sussex, Australorp, Golden Missouri, Bantam, and Lowman are some popular breeds to start with. Get the chickens for 30,000 rupees and retain the remaining amount for their feed till they are grown up. You can breed them and wait till their population multiplies. Revenue can be generated in many ways. You can sell their eggs, their chicks, or the adult/old bird. Just post an ad on OLX, or if you need to get a better response, you might try to get a featured ad service. Many do it part-time, but you can take it as a full-time business as it has high growth potential. Fourth of the idea is to selling parrots. An impressive small business idea in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees. Selling parrots is a popular business in Pakistan. You can buy small cages at the start and build an entire room for breeding them later on. Don't go for the pricier breeds like grey parrot, macaw, or others that will cost you over 50,000 rupees. For the start, you can buy budgie, fisher, lovebird, ringneck, etc. You can have multiple pairs and breed them for some time. You can post ads on OLX for this purpose and sell the parrots, their eggs, or their babies. Many people are already doing it successfully. Depending upon your circumstances, you can do it part or full time. Fifth idea is used laptops business. This business requires low investment to start. For this purpose, you can buy 2 or 3 laptops with 50,000 rupees initially and start selling them with a little margin on OLX. It will increase the chances of selling your items. The best way to get more income from this business is to sell frequently. Each month, you need to buy and sell without taking out any money in between. For the start, constant reinvestment will help you grow your business at a rapid pace. Tip: buy laptops of popular brands like HP, Dell, etc. Getting the laptop of an unpopular brand might reduce the chances of selling it. Also, get the ones that are in better condition as they have a higher chance of selling quickly. The sixth and most used idea is to sell used mobile phones. No one can deny that the used mobile phone market in Pakistan is evergreen. You can jump into it and get your share with this best business in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees. Get 1 or 2 popular smartphones and sell them with a small margin on OLX. Reinvest whatever you've made. Your initial capital would turn into a pretty large amount after some time. You can do it part-time or full-time as per your requirements. The seventh innovative business idea is ready-made garments business. The women ready-made garments business can be started with low investment. It can be the best small business idea in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees. You can choose ready-made shirts, kurtas, suits, trousers, capris, stallers, maxis, or any other item. It is also beneficial to have a combination of these items. Your target audience can be a lower or middle income population at the start. You can post 1 or multiple ads on OLX for different types of garments. Again, you need to constantly reinvest in the business. Don't spend your entire amount on the initial purchase as you will need it for your second purchase. After 2 orders, your ordering cycle could be set. Always keep some amount for your next purchases. It will help you restock the items before you run out of them. The idea number 8 is to sell car accessories. If you have knowledge of cars and know the popular car accessories, this business might suit you. You can buy accessories for under 50,000 rupees that you think have the most chances of selling. For the start, you can post ads for different accessories and get them featured to make your ad visible to a large audience for a specific time. When your business starts to grow, you can get other business packages to increase the chances of selling your products. Reinvesting is not the only thing that you should focus on. The main thing is to gather information on which accessories are selling the most. You can stop buying the least selling accessories later on. Next idea in number 9 is to start selling cats. A high-profit small business idea in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees. People are fond of cats. You will find many people doing this business successfully from their homes. This can be among the best business ideas in Pakistan with small investment. It can be a part-time or full-time business depending upon your preferences. Get 2 or 3 pairs of cats of different breeds under 50,000 rupees and sell them with a low margin. You can also breed them and sell their babies. But it is recommended to sell a trained cat which can get you more money. Cats breeds like Persian, Siberian, Ragdoll, Munchkin, Siamese, etc. are popular in Pakistan. You have to reinvest most of the revenue for at least 1 year to grow your business. Later on, you can bring more investment if you find success in it. Post ads on OLX and get the featured ad service to increase the chances of selling your cats. 10th and final idea is to becoming a real estate agent is among the best small business ideas in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees. If you have good knowledge of property business, becoming a real estate agent or property dealer might be the best business in Pakistan for you. Initially, take pictures of the property that your client wants to rent out. All you need is to post the ads with pictures and other details of the property on OLX. Get them featured to make them visible to a larger audience. Get commission from both parties, renter and rentee. You can start this business from your home. In the beginning, your social relations would help you attract people who are willing to rent out their properties. Later on, you can set up your office and make a brand. It is also possible to start buying and selling property later on after you get success in this domain. You can visit our channel for more useful tips and videos. Thanks for watching.